Hey everyone, and welcome to Restaurant Secret Hacks. You know, there's something magical about a great restaurant, right? It's more than just food. It's about experiences, connections, and creating something truly special. If you've ever felt that spark, that desire to build a place where people gather and savor moments, then you're in the right place. Today, we're not just dreaming, we're strategizing. We're going to talk about the 10 hottest restaurant concepts for 2025, the ones poised to thrive, and even better, how to actually make them successful. I've been in the restaurant world for a while now, and I've seen it all. The good, the bad, and the downright delicious. So consider me your guide. We're going to dive into what works, what doesn't, and how you can build a restaurant that not only survives, but truly shines. Let's get started. Top 10 restaurant concepts for 2025. Okay, let's dive right in. And remember, these aren't just trendy fads, they're concepts with real staying power. Concept number 1, the hyperlocal farm-to-table experience. People are craving authenticity, and they're more conscious than ever about where their food comes from. Think about creating a menu that's sourced almost entirely from nearby farms and producers. As the legendary chef Alice Waters said, "Let things taste of what they are." It's about showcasing the beauty and freshness of local ingredients and building a strong relationship with your community. Strategy for success. Partner with local farmers and highlight their names on the menu. Also consider seasonal menus that change with the harvest and host farmer meet and greets. Concept number 2, the global street food hub. Let's be real, everyone loves street food. It's quick, flavorful, and adventurous. But instead of just one cuisine, imagine a space that features incredible street food from around the world. Tacos, bao buns, arepas, and more. As Anthony Bourdain put it, you learn a lot about a culture when you go to their markets or try their street food. This is about bringing diverse flavors and global culinary experiences to your customers. Strategy for success. Offer a rotating menu of different cuisines, host themed nights, and even consider food collaborations with chefs from diverse backgrounds. Concept number 3, the experiential dining destination. It's not enough just to serve food. People want an experience. Maybe it's an interactive dining space, a themed environment, or a chef's table with live cooking demonstrations. It's about creating memories, not just meals. Strategy for success. Think about incorporating unique elements that make you stand out. Perhaps a sensory experience, a live music component, or even interactive technology. Concept number 4, the plant-based innovation hub. Plant-based eating is here to stay, but it's not just salads anymore, it's about creativity and flavor. Think plant-based fine dining, exciting vegan versions of classic dishes, or a dedicated bakery that offers incredible gluten-free and vegan options. As Chef Thomas Keller once said, the only real stumbling block is fear of failure. In cooking, you've got to have a what-the-hell attitude. Strategy for success. Invest in innovative and talented chefs who are passionate about creating plant-based meals that are as delicious as they are visually appealing. Concept number 5, the niche and specialty focus. Instead of trying to be everything to everyone, think about specializing in a particular type of cuisine or dish. Maybe you're the best at handmade pasta, or you specialize in a specific regional cuisine. It's about becoming a master of one thing and becoming known for that. Strategy for success. Focus on quality ingredients and recipes, build your reputation around that specific niche, and become the place for that particular food. Concept number 6, the health and wellness cafe. More and more people are prioritizing health and well-being. Think about offering nutritious bowls, organic smoothies, adaptogenic lattes, and wholesome meals that cater to various dietary needs. Strategy for success. Focus on using high-quality ingredients, highlighting nutritional benefits, and offering customization options for different preferences and needs. Concept number 7, the community-focused eatery. People crave connection. Think about creating a restaurant that serves as a neighborhood hub, a place where people can meet, share, and connect. This might include hosting events, workshops, or offering co-working spaces during off-peak hours. Strategy for success. Get involved in local community events, create a welcoming environment, and offer specials that encourage people to gather. Concept number 8, the tech-forward restaurant. It's not just about using online ordering, it's about incorporating technology into the entire dining experience. From digital menus and mobile payments to automated ordering systems and even augmented reality experiences. Strategy for success. Use technology to streamline operations, personalize the dining experience, and make things as convenient and seamless as possible for your customers. Concept number 9, the food hall experience. Think beyond just one restaurant and imagine creating a curated space that brings together multiple diverse food vendors. This allows customers to enjoy various cuisines in one space. As chef and restaurateur Danny Meyer stated, hospitality is present when you believe the other person is on your side. Strategy for success. Carefully curate vendors who complement each other. Concept number 10, the upscale takeaway delivery focus. Instead of just being an afterthought, focus on creating a high-end and carefully curated takeout and delivery experience. Think about innovative packaging, high-quality ingredients, and a menu designed specifically for takeaway. Strategy for success. Partner with delivery services, create a seamless online ordering system, and focus on making your takeaway experience as special as your dine-in. Okay, now that we've covered some amazing concepts, let's talk strategy. Here are 10 key strategies to keep your restaurant successful, profitable, and always in demand. 1. Know your numbers. You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else. 1. As Albert Einstein said, you need to know your food costs, your overheads, and your break-even point. 1. Don't run a restaurant blind. 2. Exceptional customer service. It's not just about great food, it's about how you make people feel. 2. Train your staff to be welcoming, attentive, and knowledgeable. 3. Engage on social media. Use social media to showcase your food, tell your story, and connect with your audience. 3. Run contests, show behind the scenes, respond to comments quickly. 4. Loyalty programs and rewards. Encourage repeat business by rewarding loyal customers with special perks and discounts. 5. Consistent quality. Never compromise on quality. 5. Use the best ingredients. Train your staff to execute the menu perfectly every single time. 6. Adapt and innovate. Always be open to trying new things, experimenting with flavors, and adapting to changing trends. 7. Strategic marketing. Don't just rely on word of mouth. 7. Invest in smart marketing, from local partnerships to digital advertising. 8. Build a strong team. Your staff is your most valuable asset. 8. Invest in training, create a positive work environment, and empower them to excel. 9. Monitor reviews and feedback. Pay attention to what your customers are saying, both online and offline. 9. Respond quickly and be open to making changes. 10. Focus on the overall experience. From the ambience to the music to the lighting, everything should come together to create a memorable and delightful dining experience. If this video sparked some inspiration and gave you a clearer path, give it a thumbs up. Your support really helps me keep this channel going. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video, where I share more inside knowledge about the world of restaurants. Thanks for watching, but remember, yes, opening a restaurant is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of passion. But with the right concept, the right strategies, and the right mindset, you can build a truly exceptional and profitable business. If this video sparked some inspiration and gave you a clearer path, give it a thumbs up. Your support really helps me keep this channel going. Also, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the next video, where I share more inside knowledge about the world of restaurants. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.